If someone with sufficient means neglects or refuses to support you financially, Indian law gives you a direct remedy. It is called Section 144 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, and here is exactly how to use it, step by step. Section 144 BNSS replaced the well-known Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. It is a summary remedy built to be straightforward, and it is secular in nature. It applies irrespective of the religion of the parties. 3 categories of people can claim maintenance. First, a wife, including a woman who has been divorced, has not remarried, and has not received a fair settlement. Second, a child, a legitimate or illegitimate minor, or a major child who is physically or mentally unable to maintain themselves, can claim from the father. Third, a father or mother unable to maintain themselves can claim from a child who has sufficient means. Step 1. Consult a lawyer. You can technically file without one, but proper drafting and well-presented evidence matter. Step 2. Find the correct court, a judicial magistrate of the first class in the area where you reside, where the respondent resides, or where the respondent last resided with you. Step 3. Draft the application with the full names and addresses of both parties, details of the marriage or the parent-child relationship, the respondent's income and assets to the extent you know them, your financial needs, and any existing children and their needs. Step 4. Attach your evidence. The marriage certificate, photographs from the marriage, proof of the respondent's income, such as salary slips, income tax returns, bank statements, or property records, and the children's birth certificates. Step 5. File the application and pay the court fees, which are nominal. Step 6. Attend the hearings. The magistrate issues a notice to the respondent, and both parties are heard. Here is the part many applicants miss. You do not have to wait for the final order. Courts frequently grant interim maintenance while the case is pending, and you can file that request along with the main application. The magistrate can grant it on a prima facie assessment without waiting for the final hearing, vital when you have no independent source of income and depend on the respondent for basic living expenses. There is no fixed formula and no statutory cap. The magistrate weighs the respondent's income and financial status, your reasonable needs, the standard of living you were accustomed to, the respondent's dependents and existing liabilities, health conditions or special needs, and the local cost of living. The Supreme Court has held that maintenance should let you live with dignity, not merely survive. And if the respondent fails to comply, the magistrate can issue a warrant for recovery of the amount, including attachment of the respondent's property. One more thing. A Section 144 order does not bar you from separately seeking maintenance under personal law statutes, such as the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955, or the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act, 2019. For more details, visit our website and subscribe.